Good morning, children. Today we are discussing English grammar, direct indirect speech or reported speech. What it is? What is our topic? Direct indirect speech or reported speech. So the title itself it is denoting us direct speech means exact words of the speaker said in a sentence. We can say it is a direct speech, and those words must be quoted in within the quotation marks or put in within the inverted commas. That type of sentences we can say direct speech. Then what is indirect speech or what is a reported speech? Here reporting someone's words or the speaker's words or the speaker's words we are conveying to third person. The way we are conveying to third person is reporting to third person is reported speech or indirect speech. Have you clear? For example, you see here Rani said, have you attended classes today? Full stop and quotation mark close. This is the sentence. Here, this is a reporting clause. This is a reported clause. The clause which is out of the quotation marks denotes as a reporting clause. The clause which is within the quotation marks denotes as a reported clause. So, here, this is a reported subject, reported verb, and this entire part to be called reporting clause. So, while we are changing direct speech into indirect speech, first we have to write subject as it is, whatever we have, either Rani, Razu, Geta, Seta, Peta, Ravata, whatever the subject we had, that subject as it is we need to write. Then here we have reporting verb also. What we have reporting verb? Said. So here that also we can write as it is when they have given assertive or declarative sentence. When they have given assertive or declarative sentence, so in such case only the verb, reporting verb what they have given that we can write as it is. Are we clear? So while connecting, we need to connect these two clauses. To connect these two clauses, we need a conjunction. So whenever we are changing direct speech into indirect speech, that especially when we are changing assertive or declarative sentence into indirect speech, so we need to use conjunction that. Have clear? When we are changing assertive or declarative sentence into indirect speech or reported speech, in such case only we have to use conjunction that to connect these two clauses. Then we need not to use comma here while we are changing or transforming the sentence here. Then we have to see that the given reported clauses in which tense is there. So if you see that the given reported clause is in present perfect tense. How can we know that it is in present perfect tense? You can see that here we have a auxiliary verb or be form. Then according to that we can understand that the given sentence is in present perfect tense. How clear? So what is subject here we have? Here you is the subject, reported subject. How we can change it into, so according to here reporting object, but there is no reporting object here. In such case we have to feel that here reporting object is me. When there is no reporting object, In such case, we have to feel it is as me, means I. Have clear? But here, Rani said, have you attended classes today? Who is you here? According to reporting object, here reported subject to be changed. Have clear? Then me is objective case. When it comes to subjective case, it becomes I. Means you have changed into I. How it has changed? Based on the reporting object. How clear? Did they give? Not given. But how can we know that? We have to feel when it has missed. When there is no reporting object, in such case we have to feel it is as me. Okay. Then, have you attended denotes as which tense? Present perfect tense. Okay. Then we need to change it into its corresponding tense. Means present tense to be changed into past tense. At the same time, present continuous tense to be changed into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense to be changed into past perfect tense. So here it is present perfect tense. Then we need to write it into past perfect tense. Then in the place of have, we need to write had. Then this, what we have? Past participle form of the verb. Attended the classes object. And today means those are talking about today. No, when those have discussed, those are talking about that particular day. Then today becomes that day. So at the end we need to put full stop. What do you have to put it? Full stop at the end we have to put it. Other than that, we must not carry any marks which they have given in direct speech. Either those are punctuation marks, quotation marks, exclamation marks, or question marks. Whatever the mark they have given in direct speech, that must not carry to indirect speech or reported speech. At the end, we need to put only full stop. That's all. Did you understand that changes? What are the changes it has taken here? How clear? Here what we have done? Subject as it is we have written, and the reporting of send we have written, and to connect these two clauses we have used conjunction that. Why we have used that? Because it is a assertive or declarative sentence. So in such case only this conjunction should be used. Okay. Then we have written subject, reported subject, based on the reporting object. Very clear. And again we have taken changes tenses. It has given in present perfect tense. We have written past perfect tense. Why? We need to write it in its corresponding tense. Present tense to be changed into past tense, and past tense becomes past perfect tense. Present continuous tense becomes past continuous tense. At the same time, present perfect tense becomes past perfect tense. There are the changes. According to that only, here present perfect tense we have changed into past perfect tense, and today becomes that day. These are the ways we need to change. Are you clear? Here, just what is the meaning of this sentence? What the direct speech is conveying, the meaning, in the same manner, indirect speech also conveying the same meaning. There is no change in meaning, but only the way we are expressing is differ, varied. No change in meaning, the way of expression is only changed. Only way of expression changed. That's all. Are you clear? Some more examples, we will see that based on it. See that Karthik said, I am all right. Full stop and quotation mark closed here. So what is the reporting subject we had here? This is the reporting clause. This is a reported clause. Reported, which is with the quotation marks or quotation marks, inverted commas denotes as a reported clause, which is out of the quotation marks denotes as reporting clause. What is subject we had here? Karthik. Whatever the subject we have, that we can write as it is. Already I told you when the reporting is subject is said, that we have to write as it is without any change when they have given assertive sentence. To connect these two clauses, we need to use conjunction that when they have given assertive or declarative sentence. One more important note is here, we have to change the reported clause when the reporting subject is in past tense. This is important note. When the reporting subject is, when the reporting verb is in past tense, then only there are the changes will be taken in reported clause. One more important note, listen. When the reporting verb is in past tense, then only changes will be taken in reported clause. Have clear? Then we write according to reporting subject we need to write here. I becomes, I is who is that? Karthik. Then in the place of I here what we can write? In the place of Karthik what we can write? He. Isn't it? Then am denotes us which tense? Present tense. So its corresponding tense what? Past tense. Then am becomes what? Was. Past tense singular B form is was. So then object is here. Right. At end what we need to put? Just full stop. We must not carry these quotation marks or commas, whatever the marks. In sometimes they may give exclamation mark or they may give question mark, whatever the mark, punctuation mark they have given in direct speech, that must not carry forward to indirect speech or reported speech. This is the way we need to write. One more example, you people see that. He said to me, I know your mother, or I know your brother, or I know your father, like this. Full stop and quotation mark closed. So what is here? What is the subject? Reporting subject. He is the reporting subject. Here said to is there. They have given assertive sentence. What is an assertive sentence or a declarative sentence? Assertive sentence means nothing but giving a statement, information about something or somebody. So that we can say assertive or declarative sentence. When they have given assertive sentence, so said to becomes told. When said to is there, here only said is there. There are the changes. You can observe that. When said to is there, in such case only, when they have given assertive or declarative sentence, that becomes told. When they are given said, we need not to write told. Said as it is, we can write. Okay? Here, reporting object me they have given. Then it is assertive sentence now. To connect these two clauses, we need to use conjunction that. Have clear? Then I know your mother. Who said these words? Who is I? According to reporting subject, we need to change it. Who is I here? He. He said to me, I know your mother. Then who is I? According to reporting subject, we need to change this reported subject. Then in the place of I, we can write he. Have clear? Then no denotes as V1 form. V1 form denotes as present tense. Its corresponding tense is what? Past tense. Then we can write he knew. No, knew, no. No. Then no becomes new. Your mother. He told me that he knew. Your mother means it becomes what? Possessive form. My mother. My mother. Here according to reporting object, this possessive form can be changed. Based on the reporting object me, this possessive form to be changed. Then your mother becomes my mother. Then again we need to put full stop. Now clear? This is the way we need to write assertive sentence into indirect speech or reported speech. Have clear? Okay. Thank you. I will send some more examples, you can practice it.